Hello, friend, and welcome back to the Fruit Facts HQ channel. Quick question, when was the last time you had an apricot? Was it fresh, dried, or maybe in a dessert? Well, today, we're diving into this little fruit that's packed with big surprises. Ever wondered where they come from, why they're so good for you, or how they ended up in everything from breakfast jams to skincare routines? Stick around because you won't want to miss this juicy journey. The incredible story of apricots. Let's start with a bit of history. Did you know apricots have been around for over 4,000 years? Yep, this humble fruit is a seasoned traveler. While its exact origin is debated, many believe it started in ancient China before heading to Armenia, earning the name Prunus armeniaca. From there, apricots journeyed through the Silk Road, becoming a prized delicacy in Persia, Greece, and beyond. Imagine traders bartering exotic spices and silks for a basket of these golden gems. Today, apricots thrive in sunny orchards worldwide. So, every time you bite into one, you're literally tasting a piece of history. Quick poll, if you could time travel, which ancient culture would you share an apricot with? China, Persia, or Greece? Let me know in the comments. Apricot varieties you should know. Did you know there are over 50 varieties of apricots? Let me introduce you to some of the stars. Blenheim apricots, California. Sweet, tangy, and perfect for snacking. Turkish apricots, juicy, sweet, and often dried for your convenience. Moorpark apricots, Europe. Large, luscious, and ideal for desserts. Which one's your favorite? Or maybe you've tried a variety I didn't mention. Share it in the comments. We're always up for discovering new fruity delights. Apricot fun facts. It's time for some juicy fun facts. Did you know dried apricots pack 4 times the nutrients of fresh ones? Snack smarter, folks. In ancient Persia, apricots were called the seed of the sun. Turkey is the world's largest producer of apricots. If you've tried Turkish apricots, you know why. And here's a cool one. Apricot kernels were once thought to bring good luck. Modern uses of apricots. Apricots are super versatile. They're not just for snacking, check this out. Sweet jams and tangy chutneys that elevate any meal. Dried apricots for quick energy on the go. Apricot oil to keep your skin glowing and hydrated. And of course, desserts, apricot cakes, tarts, and even ice cream. Is anyone else getting hungry? Let me know your favorite apricot-inspired dish or share your family recipes in the comments. Who knows, I might feature them in a future video. Why apricots deserve the spotlight. From ancient history to your breakfast table, apricots truly are a fruit to celebrate. They're packed with flavor, loaded with health benefits, and versatile enough for any dish. What's not to love? Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this apricot adventure, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more fun food content. Until next time, stay fresh and remember, life is sweeter with a little fruit in it. What's your favorite apricot dish or memory? Drop it in the comments and let's keep the fruity conversation going. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and fruity facts. Until next time, keep it crisp.